Okay. Okay, so I'm going to design this section. Okay, for desktop. So let's see. Design one sections. Okay. So it's a lot of. See, I'm going to design from scratch. I'm not following any structure. Okay. I'm just explaining. So don't follow my method. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Listen, when I'm going to design, so I will design our code as for our methodology, what we are following in Zalata. I already told to each members we are following web methodology, and we are not following like a common classes and common IDs. Okay, we design separate means individual, means if you change any inputs, so it will change on that input, not affect to entire. Okay. Okay, so I'll just link my CSS. Okay, so I'm going to start. Okay, so first we'll check. Listen very carefully, guys. First we check what is the dimension of our Figma. Okay, so okay, first we'll see what is what is the dimension our Figma. So if you click web, new web layouts, so we'll see the right side is auto layout is there, below is there. You can see width is 90/20. Okay, and height is 1192. Listen very carefully. Width is 90/20. Okay, and height we always consider as a auto. Okay. Okay, so first we'll design like a section. We give class main we give main. Main section. Listen very carefully. When you are giving the class, don't give hyphen. Okay, always try to give underscore. Okay. Reply, nobody reply.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay. So okay, so this is our section. Okay, so our main section is there. our main section is taking 90/20. So normally we will give width 100% and will give max width. Okay, 90/20 pixel. That's it. Okay, so it will take automatically. The size will be 90/20. Okay, I just open it. Okay, nothing was there because I didn't write anything. Okay, so you can see here is a like a top bar. In top bar they are giving a message. Message is like some offer is message is there. Okay, so first we'll see. Okay, what is the dimension of that message? So we'll see it will take 100%, it means 90/20. Okay, and height should be 50 pixel. Okay, so our height is 50 pixel. So for first we copy that message. If you click 2 times, okay, so if you click that message is 2 times, so you can see where is our text. Let's see. This is my text. It's not copy. Okay, exercise, that's why. Okay, when you click double times, so means 2 times, so content should be display here. You just copy it. Okay, it's like a div. Inside div it is a message is there, so we can go there inside main sections. You can give it to like a section wise or like a section wise or div wise, whatever you want you can take it. So I give it to div top underscore message. Just paste it. Okay, so we'll come there and we'll see this is our message. Okay, so after that we'll check what is the font size and what is the like uh, means text structure. We can see that there. So here you can see the color should be like a white. All CSS is not coming as proper. Okay, okay, sorry, I'm using okay. If you double click, text should become, and you can see what is the font. You can see Josephine Sons is font they are using. Weight is 400. It means font weight. Okay, weight is 400 means font weight. Style is regular. Here is font size is 18 pixel. Line height is 100%. Letter spacing is 0. Case is uppercase means whatever is your content is like a lower case or like a capitalized format, so it should be as a uppercase. So everything like a css they are like a given. Okay, so simply you just copy it like that and you can paste it here. So it's a I top underscore masses. If you paste it, you can see look like that. But it won't work. Everything it won't work. Okay, if you see here, okay, few things we means few things are not working properly because that things font family and font style. Okay, so we need to like a need to correct it because directly it won't work properly. So Josephine sense we need to include that font, after that it will work, but it's different. So font style later I will tell how to include and how to it will work. Okay, I will just simply tell how to design the layout. So right now we just remove. Okay, so you can see they are giving our height is 50 pixels. Okay, so we can come here, we'll give it to height also. Later I will explain aspect ratio and how to manage with padding also. Okay, so if you see our